project that kind of came about, I'd say maybe 5 years ago.
Do you want to try and start with instance here, since you're already like fooling around with that?
We all kind of came at it from different angles.
How do I look?
With different influences and different backgrounds.
I'm like sick, and then getting stoned, like, it made me feel better, but now I'm sick and stoned.
Kind of a collision of different styles of music.
Yeah, like I wanted there, like whether it's keyboard or guitar, like I want there to be another, like another layer during like the bridge part.
Metal and hard rock and indie rock and gospel and soul.
Okay, so we just started the wrong note.
No, that was me, because I don't remember, I totally forgot to play that.
Okay. So we wanted to get the love songs out of the way in the beginning, because, you know, they make you feel nice and warm and fuzzy.
It's this fusion of our experiences.
This next song is called A Whisper, and it was written for a very important person in my life. And it's
just this big sound and this big personality.
It's been a hell of a ride so far for the past couple years that I've been in the band. Woke up on a pile of clothes, and this was the shirt that I picked up out of the pile of clothes.
Over there?
It's not my shirt either.
I think for me, StereoViolet is a little bit different than any of the other bands that I've been in.
So everyone, we like to encourage you to go and drink at the bar, because that's what we love.
Very much about integrating art, design.
Everything is hand painted, so everything is very unique. Everything is
Also
different.
a designer. I went to school for photography, and I kind of like to incorporate the whole spectrum of art within any project that I'm doing. And
You can leave us money for it, or you can just fucking take it and listen to it, give it as a present to someone else. But these are our little love notes for you.
music is a very important, integral part of what makes us. Obviously, we're musicians.
We have been a band for about 3 years, but in the past 2 months we added these two amazing motherfuckers.
And we love being musicians and playing music and creating.
A little experimenting.
But it's so much more than that. It's a lifestyle. It's a personality. It's just a way of life, a way of being. We were trying to create more of a lifestyle, more of this big, bold kind of personality.
Drink some whiskey and listen to this song.
We've had some luck in having some amazing people that have supported us basically from day one.
I consider it to be almost my first family. Just don't tell my immediate family that I said that.
You guys are all gonna fucking do shots with us right now. So this is about the part of the night where we encourage everyone to drink.
The microphone looks like a giant penis on your chest. I just realized that.
Oh shit, there are shots up there.
Have fun with us. Dance with us.